Okay, Chanel, thanks. Now, if we do feel some impact from Florence, the Red Cross wants you to be prepared.
WMAR 2 News' Mark Roper is in Northwest Baltimore this morning at the Red Cross's headquarters. Mark, how are they making sure that we're ready this weekend?
Good morning, Ashley. Good morning, Christian. You know, there are many factors to help make disaster relief possible for the Red Cross, and we are here at the Red Cross with Dave Slaughter. He's the chairman of the American Red Cross Maryland Board of Directors. So, Dave, we're standing here in a warehouse or garage filled with many supplies. So tell us about some of the things that make the efforts possible, from volunteers to supplies.
Well, our communities have been generous for forever. I mean, we've been in 100 years. We count on the communities for resources, monetary resources, supplies, volunteers. Right now, Red Cross is really the conduit for getting those resources to the people that are in need, organizing them, and make sure that we're supporting the mission of alleviating the suffering from disasters.
And how much do you expect this particular storm to put a strain on the Red Cross?
Well, the Red Cross is a large organization, so we support different regions. Depending on where the storm hits, we support the outlying regions. We might be in southern Maryland, we could be in Virginia, we could be on the shorelines, but we'll take our resources and put them where they need to be to help people.
And so for people who would like to help in our community, even though the storm may miss us for the most part, how can people in our community help others that may be in need?
Well, there's several ways. One is to volunteer if you can. You can also give money, you can give blood. I would suggest that people go on the website, redcross.org, or call 1-800-RED-CROSS, and you can find a way to give what you can afford and the time that you have to give us.
Well, thanks, Dave, for joining us this morning. And other ways that you can also help donate is that you can download the Red Cross's mobile app. You can find out how to donate blood, how to donate money, as well as find out what shelters are in your area and also how you can get prepared for the storm. We are live in Northwest Baltimore. Mark Roper, WMAR 2 News.
All right, Mark, thank you. And